Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make bento in 30 minutes. Let's put everything together, the food we prepared in advance, then finish making bento in the morning. Let's start with kids bento. To make octopus sausage, cut a slit 2/3 way up to the length, rotate 90 degrees and make another slit. Then make a slit on each strip. Now you have 8 legs. The legs wide open when it cooked. Meanwhile, start heating the oil in a small pot. Deep fry the veggie rolled cutlet when the oil reaches 160 degrees Celsius. Cut broccoli into small chunks. Preferably do it in advance the night before. Add a splash of water and salt. Cover and cook on medium heat for a couple of minutes. Clean and put the pan on a medium heat. Add a little bit of vegetable oil. Drop a tsukune filling in the bite size. Spread with back of the spoon. Cover with the lid. Cook for 3 minutes. Meanwhile, prepare tamagoyaki. Add the seasonings and reduce until look shiny. And add potato starch solutions to thicken the sauce. It's totally optional, but you can make easy potato salad roll. Scrub a potato well, then cook in the microwave for 2 minutes on 800 watt. Peel and mash, season with salt and pepper, and splash of milk to give it a smooth texture. Then add Japanese mayonnaise. Cut sliced ham in half and wrap and roll it up. If you have leftover from a night before, just use it. This is my son's all-time favorite. It passed 30 minutes already. We have to hurry up to pack the food. Make 2 rice bowls. One is wrapped in nori seaweed and one is sprinkled with furikake. Line with the lettuce to prevent from slipping. Then start packing from the food which is stable. In this case, tamagoyaki. Then potato salad wrapped in ham. Pack into the bento box nicely with no space in between. Push to make sure there is no gap. The okazu should be in the place where it is until lunchtime. There you have a kids bento. Here is how to use frozen tsukune meatball. Take out onto a tray and cook in the microwave for about 2 minutes on 600 watt. Put in a teaspoon of miso, honey, and butter into a microwavable bowl. Cook 1 minute on 600 watt. Combine them together. There you have miso honey glazed tsukune meatball in a minute. You can use other sauce of your favorite, like sweet chili sauce and oyster sauce. Next, the teenager's bento. Cut the chicken thigh into chunks, transfer to a Ziploc bag and add salt, sake and ginger. Rub and marinate overnight. In the morning, add mirin and soy sauce. Leave it while cooking other okazu. Shred carrot by using shred peeler. This is a very useful kitchen tool for mom in busy morning. Saute until softened for a couple of minutes. Season with salt and a dash of garlic powder. Another option is red bell pepper. Steam broccoli, then add salt and sushi vinegar. Toss to coat. Add ground sesame seed. This broccoli tastes the kind of pickles with a Japanese twist. Heat a generous amount of oil in a small pot. Thus marinated chicken with potato starch. Deep fry them when it reaches 160 degrees Celsius. It takes 3 to 4 minutes. While deep frying, let's cook tamagoyaki. Beat the egg, add seasonings, and cook like always. Now the foods are all set. It took me 25 minutes from the start. We are right on time. Line the lettuce on upper tier. Fill the cup with carrot, then goes into the bento box. Then broccoli goes next to carrot. Push to fill the gap. Tamagoyaki should be in the size of the depth of the box. Potato salad goes in. And pack karaage, the main dish, as much as you can. Then sausage. There you go, the teenager's bento. And you can freeze the leftover karaage. For the frozen karaage, take out onto kitchen paper lined tray. Reheat in the microwave for 1 minute on 600 watt. Meanwhile, put a small frying pan on a medium heat. Add a tablespoon of white syrup or honey and 2 teaspoons of soy sauce and a splash of vinegar. Reduce until syrupy, then toss to coat. There you have sweet and sour karaage. You can replace the sauce as we do to the Tsukune meatball, like chili sauce or oyster sauce. It is so versatile. Last but not least, bento for Grownups. Cook kabocha squash a night before, or you can do it in the morning. Prepare vegetable roll pork as well. Pat dry the excess moisture lightly from the salted salmon. Cut into 3. Trim the bone. Lightly salted salmon is very popular in Japan. While cooking, shred the bell pepper into matchsticks. Microwave it for a minute on 600 watt. Sprinkle a pinch of salt and splash of soy sauce. Toss in bonito flakes to absorb the excess moisture and adding the flavor at the same time. Clean the same frying pan as we used for grilling salmon. Heat the pan on medium. Then add sesame oil and add in shimeji mushroom. Cook until wilt, then season with salt and garlic powder. Place the rolled pork end side down. Cook until done. Then add teriyaki sauce. When it's nicely done, take out and leave to cool. Then cut into 2. While cooking rolled pork, cook tamagoyaki with scallion. Mix well, then add chopped scallion. Cook like always. Cut into 4. The center cut should be in the size of the depth of the bento box. You don't want your tamagoyaki hiding in another okazu. The food is all set. Let's pack into the bento box. Pack the rice by using the divider. Take off the divider, then line the box with lettuce and siso leaves. Start packing with tamagoyaki. Then roll the pork. Fill the bell pepper and shimeji. Then pack simmered kabocha squash. Put umeboshi and grilled salmon on rice. There you have a bento for grown-up. I always pack 5 okazu at least, but you don't have to go 5. 3 is good enough. This is for a sports day bento. There are just an ordinary everyday okazu which I have shown in the video. I hope the bento series is helpful for you. Give it a try and let me know how yours turned out. Thank you for watching the video. Please thumbs up if you like it and subscribe to my channel for more delicious Japanese recipe. I am thinking about what if Japanese mom tried to make American lunchbox for back to school. How does it sound? Let's see what I can do. Well, that's it for today. See you in a week. Bye!